Good evening, Marjorie.
Good evening, Angel.
Marjorie, I'm so sorry for my behavior last night. You're my best friend and sister. You only meant well and I blew up on you. Please forgive me.
Angel, there's nothing to forgive. It's your choice whoever you want to give your cherry to. I had no rights to tell you how to run your life.
Marjorie, you have the right to at least guide me if you see I'm going on the wrong path. You were right about Brad. Last night was crazy with Brad. He wanted to take advantage of me. I was a little tipsy, but I had my wits. Nicholas had to rescue me.
Oh, Angel, are you all right?
Yes, I'm okay, thanks to you telling Nicholas. He was so manly, he rescued me and he taught Brad a lesson.
Great, Brad needs to be taught. So there's something you're not telling me. What happened with Nicholas?
Ha 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 ha, you know me so well. Nicholas took me to his home. We had a very heated argument and...
And what? Don't leave me in suspense.
Let's just say, you're looking at a new woman.
You mean you finally popped the cherry?
Yes, but not before this.
Oh, thank God you finally popped the cherry. Before what?
This.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yes, Nicholas and I are getting married.
I'm so happy for you, sis. I'm happy for the both of you.
Thank you, sis. I love you.
Oh, Angel, I love you too, sis. Oh, this calls for a celebration. Let's go enjoy some burgers at Joe's.
Yes, you're speaking my language, sis. That's why we're best friends. Let's go.
I can never get tired of Joe's burgers, yummy.
Oh my gosh, and don't forget the milkshakes, so delicious. Thank you, sis.
Oh, hi, Nicholas.
Hi, Marjorie. Angel, my love will be with you in a second.
Congratulations to both of you. I'm so happy. Congratulations, Nicholas.
Thank you so much, Marjorie. You've been such a great friend not only to Angel but to me also. None of this would have been possible without you. Thank you.
You're welcome, Nicholas. Angel, I'm going. John is waiting for me. I'll see you later. You guys have a wonderful night.
See you soon, Marjorie. I love you, look really beautiful tonight.
Hi, baby. What are you doing here?
Just came to get something at Joe's. I was coming to meet you at home.
Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
Yes, baby, let's go home.
Chrissy, what is she doing here?
Chrissy. Angel, I didn't know she was here. She just came, please believe me. I have nothing to do with Chrissy being here.
Babe, I believe you. Can we leave now?
Yes, we can. Let's go, love. I love you so much, Angel, more than you will ever know.
I love you more.
Impossible.
Shut up and kiss me, naughty boy.
Yes, my queen.
Six months later.
Angel, you look so beautiful. You look like an angel, you are. I'm so happy for you.
Thank my beautiful sister and best friend. Without you, none of this would be possible today. I can't believe I'm marrying the man of my dreams.
I love you, Angel.
I love you, Marjorie.
Who give this woman to this man?
I do.
You look so gorgeous, my love.
Thank you, baby, and you look very handsome.
Do you, Nicholas Covington, take Angel Valentine to your wife, to love and respect and love for the rest of your life?
I do.
Do you, Angel Valentine, take Nicholas Covington to your husband, to love and obey, respect and love for the rest of your life?
I do.
With those last words, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
I love you, Angel Covington.
I love you, Nicholas Covington.